We're back, guys. So hello guys, we're back to more videos, and today we're playing Cactus. So they are going to marry this, so I'm going to put it there. So this is a part 20. The part 20 is this the rules. So that is the rules. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So I need to put it. Wait, hold on. Okay, this could be our new girls. So this could be this name. I don't know what this name is, but that's okay. This one. So this is the Katos. This could be Elden Rules. So I'm going to record or not. Okay, we're gonna kiss it. Hey babe. Hey. Hey babe, do you marry me? Oh, she said yes. Yes, it is good. Also, guys, so please subscribe to my other channel. So, okay, let's kiss. They can marry it. Let's just dance, right? But let's go. Okay, what's that? Okay. Oh, okay. He he said I will just marry the girl. So she said yes, it is. Yeah, yeah. Hey, you. Do you marry me? Yes. They will get adopted. I'm gonna make part 21 in tomorrow. So anyways guys, so I wanted to get married by Cactus. So I wanna make I'm going to just I'm going to make a new baby, my babes. So anyways guys, okay, they're kissing. Mm, he said good. And she said, very well. Okay. 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 So guys, so I record my new video. So I will make a baby cactus. So they are going to marry it. So anyways, here is the moose that annoyed. So she has this, and also she is a catnap, I guess. She has a purple hair, but also guys, she has the blue hair instead of the no, instead of the blue hairs, but it's okay. So okay guys, this could be this could be the lips, to the lips. So they're going to kiss it again. Mwah. So guys, peace out guys. Goodbye guys. See you later guys. Bye.